Hi guys, Dirk Flowmans. Let me show you what we built for one of our clients. This is our 1,000-liter firefighter unit. We actually built it for one of our clients, which is in the renewable energy space. They've got some solar farms. So this is the firefighter units that they're going to use on there. This is our 1,000-liter units with a brake axle trailer, parking jack. Here's our petrol-driven firefighter pump that can deliver up to 9.5 bar. There's a bracket for some extra additives or soaps. And then let me show you what we did for them at the back. We actually moved their reels to the back for them for some better efficiency for them. So yeah, here's the electroplated hose reels with the gear system and the handles. We've got some parking jacks that we've put at the back for them, so that if they drop it, the units can't tip over if somebody steps on the back. And then obviously they've taken our pistol nozzle, the variable pistol nozzle. Well guys, I think another job well done. Came out quite nice. Tell us what you think.